2 of SPM Bible Knowledge Quiz consists of 10 questions with short answers. 4 marks will be allocated for each question. These will amount to a maximum total of 40 marks for this part of the quiz. All teams may confer. Written answers must be covered, then shown when the cue is given. In part 2, there will be a quiz master, a quiz mistress, and a timekeeper on the stage. There will be a panel of judges at the front of the stage. There will also be one recorder assigned to 3 teams. Score recorders who are seated in front of their 3 teams must be ready before each question is asked. Each question is asked twice, followed by 10 seconds. The bell is rung twice. Then the quiz master gives the cue. Ready? 1, 2, show! Teams hold up their answer sheets and keep holding them up while the quiz master gives the answer. Recorders will award the marks on the recorder's score sheet for each team.
What are the categories of questions that will be asked?
Well, there will be 5 types of questions from the Gospel of Luke and 5 types of questions from the Book of Acts. And the categories are: name the Old Testament book, name the person or persons, name the parable, give the number, and name the place.
Can you give me an example of a question?
Sure, listen carefully. The Roman soldiers seized him and made him carry the cross behind Jesus. Luke 23 verse 26. To whom does him refer? I repeat, the Roman soldiers seized him and made him carry the cross behind Jesus. Luke 23 verse 26. To whom does him refer? Ready? 1, 2, show! The answer is Simon of Cyrene. 2 marks for Simon and 2 marks for Cyrene. Recorders can refer to the panel of judges concerning the allocation of marks if necessary. Part 2 is over. Marks from Part 1, Regionals, and Part 2 are totaled up. The runners will send the team scores to the scorekeepers. The top 30 teams will qualify for Part 3 or the semi-finals. One team member will answer questions from Luke and the other will answer questions from Acts. No conferring is allowed.
The finals. The top 5 teams will move into the finals. A recorder will be assigned to each team on the stage. In the finals, there will be 2 groups of questions, the speed round and the context questions. In the speed round, 3 questions will be given to the teams. Each question carries 5 marks and will amount to a maximum total of 15 marks for this part. Members of the team may confer. Question slips are given to each team at the same time, and teams are given 2 minutes to write all 3 answers. The last section in the finals are the context questions. This part contributes 10 marks. The finalists will decide among themselves who will be contestant 1 and who will be contestant 2. The first contestants of each team will draw lots for a context question. Contestant 1 is to answer Part A and Part B of the context question. Contestant 2 will answer the final part of the same context question. No conferring is allowed. If any team member prompts the other, that team will be disqualified. There will be a tiebreaker if necessary. And that's the end of the SPM Bible Knowledge Quiz. The awards ceremony is held at the end of the quiz. Certs and trophies will be given to the winning teams. Thank you for watching, and may you be encouraged to study and dig deep into the Word of God.